prayer today, we'd like to invite you into the heart of Christ. The door is always open, so we will invite you to that open door. There will be an image coming up in a little while. And not the door of last week or yesterday, but the door of today. And asking that as we move through, walk into that door, through that door, we may receive what we need for today.
Eu sou a porta. Quem entra por mim será salvo. Entrará e sairá e encontrará pastagem.
Moi, je suis la porte. Si quelqu'un entre par moi, il sera sauvé. Il entrera et sortira, et trouvera un pâturage.
Santo Espírito, vinde 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 Santo Espírito.